What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to tell you guys how appreciative I am for all the support. I hit 100 subscribers. This has been a huge journey, and I want to thank all of you for all the support. Even just watching the videos, even if you don't like them, it's okay. Thank you for all the support, all the views, all the subscribes. Awesome. Thank you all. I have a huge announcement, and if you can't see it in the title, here it goes. I bought a GoPro Hero 8 right here. 4K, shoots amazing. Today, I went to San Clemente, and I took 30 minutes, made a little edit, and I hope you guys like it. So that's what this video is about, my first edit. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. This is the first of many, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.